I can't wait.
said Bert.
Kip is going to be so surprised.
It was Kip's birthday. Bert was planning a surprise party. It was going to be at the park. Everyone in the park was invited. Bert flew to her nest for party hats. Kip poked his head out of his hole.
Today is my birthday.
Said Kip.
I know.
Said Bert.
Happy birthday. I will see you at my party.
Said Kip. Bert gulped.
What party?
She asked.
I am planning the party for myself.
Said Kip.
The party it is going to be at the Giant Rock. Everyone in the park will invite it. Oh no!
Thought Bert. Kip was planning his own party, and Bert was planning a party too. But Bert couldn't tell Kip. Her party was a surprise.
What am I going to do?
Wondered Bert.